This presentation will give you a general understanding of a new technology that has revolutionized the use of electrons in radiation therapy clinics across the United States. Electrons have long been useful for skin lesions and shallow tumors up to 6 centimeters. However, one major characteristic of electrons has limited their use, and that is the fact that they deposit their dose at a uniform depth. Most cases that present themselves have irregularly shaped tumors of varying depths, have underlying critical structures, or are beneath irregularly shaped surface anatomy. At times, you may have a combination of all three. Until now, there was no effective and efficient way to deal with these complexities. Bolus electron conformal therapy is the use of a single electron beam and a variable thickness bolus that shapes the beam so that the 90% dose line conforms to the PTV. By milling to exact specifications out of tissue equivalent wax, bolus ECT compensators eliminate all the obstacles and drawbacks associated with the mixed beam approach. Dot decimal customers have ordered bolus ECT compensators for many anatomical sites, including chest wall, nose, eyes, scalp, parotid, legs, arms, and hands. Here are some examples of the dose distributions that can be achieved using bolus electron conformal therapy. Keep in mind, all of these examples are single beam plans. The bolus is designed by your staff using dot decimal software in conjunction with your treatment planning system. Once the virtual bolus is designed and the resulting plan is approved, the bolus file is uploaded to dot decimal for fabrication. X and Y coordinates are milled into the surface of the bolus for daily patient alignment, and fiducial markers provided by dot decimal can be implanted on the surface of the bolus for facilities that have OBI or EPID. Cone beam CTs can also be done to ensure proper alignment. The bolus arrives at your clinic within 48 to 72 hours from receipt of order. Additionally, a 24-hour rush delivery option is available. A repeat CT is done on the patient with the bolus in place and a final 3D dose calculation is generated. The dose distribution from this CT should match the planned distribution, confirming that the bolus is properly positioned. Once verified, the patient is ready for treatment. Dot Decimal's bolus design software, P.D, is compatible with any treatment planning system that has DICOM RT export capabilities. Of course, your treatment planning system must be modeled for electron planning. There is no charge for implementation, which is simply installing the P.D software. No other equipment is required. The average implementation time is only 1 hour. In fact, we've had several clinics install the software and order the bolus all in the same afternoon. For the right candidate, there is absolutely no other treatment option that can provide dose distributions as accurately as bolus ECT compensators. With better patient outcomes and a much more efficient process versus mixed energy electron therapy, bolus ECT should be an option at every physician's disposal. Contact a Dot Decimal representative to see how you can have bolus ECT compensators added to your toolbox today.